Hello everybody. So today we will be looking at the answer to an MCET previous question that appeared in 2020. It's a chemistry question, obviously. So the question goes as follows: arrange the following in the correct order of ionization enthalpies, and the elements given are lithium, beryllium, boron, nitrogen, and oxygen. So let us look at the answer. First of all, you need to know what ionization potential is and what it is dependent on, and how exactly these factors are related to each other. So, ionization potential is the energy required to remove the outermost electron from a neutral isolated gaseous atom. And ionization potential is directly proportional to nuclear charge, it's directly proportional to inversely proportional to size, and inversely proportional to shielding effect. Let me know in the comments down below if you need an explanation for these factors and how they are related exactly in more detail. So, you also have to know one more point to solve a question of this type, and that is half filled and completely filled orbitals have exceptionally high IP. Why do they have high ionization enthalpy or ionization potential? It is because these atoms are stable. They are stable because their orbitals are either half filled or completely filled. So they don't want to give an electron, they don't want to take an electron, they are good as they are. So based on this point, we can arrive at the conclusion that 2A group elements and 5A group elements have higher IP due to half-filled and completely filled orbitals compared to their preceding and succeeding elements. So what is the configuration of 2A group elements? That is Ns2, s orbital is completely filled. So completely filled orbital. 5A group elements, Ns2, Np3, 5 electrons in the outermost orbital, so 5a, and p orbital, which normally holds 6 electrons in total, is holding 3 electrons. So you say it is a half filled orbital. They have a half filled orbital. So you have to remember that 2a group elements and 5a group elements have higher IP compared to their preceding and succeeding elements. Alright, so let us look at the order of the second period. Lithium has IP 1. Lithium has lower IP compared to beryllium, and beryllium, being a second A group element, is going to have higher IP compared to boron. Boron less than carbon, carbon less than nitrogen, nitrogen greater than oxygen because it is 5A group element, and oxygen less than fluorine, fluorine less than neon. So remember this, remember what the question is based on, why this order is coming. So the answer to that question will be lithium will be less than boron, boron less than beryllium, beryllium less than oxygen, and oxygen less than nitrogen. So what will be the answer to this question? It will be option 2. Alright, so I hope everybody was able to understand. Alright, that's it for today.